Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm making pot roast. Pot roast is actually a big tough beef cut which cooks slow with herbs and veggies in a flavorful broth until it fall apart tender. Very easy but very delicious and chutpati recipe today I'm sharing with you. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start the recipe. Bismillah. First I'm taking a wide open pan, heat it up on a high flame with a little bit of oil, and I will be grilling some veggies in there. I'm doing this step just to give the veggies some color and they get charred. So I slice the onions in thick slices and just cook it until they just change its color. Taking them out, adding carrots in the same pot. Today I'm using baby carrots because that's what I had, but you can use regular carrot, cut them like into 3 to 4 inches pieces. Since I had enough space in my pan, so I thought to add some sliced bell peppers in there as well, and the flame is already medium to high. I'm cooking until they just get nice color on each side, taking them out as well. Now we're gonna sear our meat in there. Today I'm using chuck roast and I'm using with the bone. I already sprinkled some salt and black pepper on one side. When it gets seared, I'm just sprinkling black pepper and salt on the other side. Just flip and let it get that nice charred color. Take it out, and now I add a little bit of more oil and adding some minced garlic. Cook until garlic changes color. I am picking up all those teeny tiny bits of meat because that has all that flavor. When garlic changes color, I am adding some tomatoes in there, and then just mix well. Today I'm using rotel, which have green chilies in there, but you can use regular tomatoes as well. Added a little bit of water, tomato ketchup, and mustard in there with some brown sugar, black pepper powder, crushed red chili flakes, Worcestershire sauce, and soy sauce. Mix everything well. You can add some salt. I definitely did add like a teaspoon or two, but make sure that sauces have that extra sodium. Bring it to one boil, and now we will bring back all our cooked stuff and put it in there. First I'm putting the seared meat piece of meat in there with the vegetable we just cooked. Just mix everything well as much as you can, cover, and now it's time to slow cook our meat. Now if you want to skip the searing part of vegetables and meat, you can definitely do that, but if we sear the meat, it definitely brings that extra flavor in pot roast. Or you can cook everything in a slow cooker as well. The meat will take like around 4 to 5 hours depending how tough your meat is and or how bigger the chunk is. So when your meat is completely cooked, you can take it out. Here you can see my meat is like falling apart. So now roast is ready, but let's talk about the remaining mixture which is left. So you can do two things. First, I'm just sieving it through the strainer, so vegetables will get inside. Don't throw the vegetables, they taste very good with the meat. So after straining them, now you can use this mixture as it is, or what I'm doing, I just took some out before warming it up, added a little bit of cornstarch or corn flour in there, mix well, and then slowly adding in to the remaining mixtures. It thicken a bit and it will look like this, like a soupy kind of a mixture, and you can serve this as a side gravy. So here's my pot roast ready to serve. I'm serving it with some mashed potatoes. I added a little bit of cheese and grilled them. Then I have some red lobsters, cheese and herb biscuits, and my family thoroughly enjoyed this meal. And if you are trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave your comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.